Hi, we'll be prepping our skin. After cleaning my face, I'll go in with my moisturizer. After moisturizing, I hydrate my face using Kiss Beauty Fix Spray. Good. Then, after hydrating my skin, I then go in with my primer, my cheek primer. Step you want to do, please don't forget to go in with your fix spray. That's your hydrating spray. It goes a long way to put your makeup together and give you flawless base. Either you spray on your face or you spray on your beauty sponge, or you do the both. Can you see the skin work? Can you see how blended it is? Just like my skin with a little bit of glow. Right now, this is my blush. I'm improvising with my lip palette, the Blossom Makeup lip palette. For you to use blush on your face, you must have a blush, so you can improvise. You shouldn't break the bank because you want to let makeup products blend in properly. We'll be using my cheek concealer palette. You go in with shade 2 times lighter here and then on close to your skin tone here on the outer corner. Before you blend out, go in with your setting spray to your beauty sponge and on your face, because this is concealer. If you don't handle properly, it will conceal your face, it will crease, you will get the worst effect ever, starting from the outer part of the face. On my beauty sponge for a perfect blending. Remember, we are doing all outer corner first. Darker shade first. For this look, I really want a full coverage effect, especially under my eye. So before I go in with my concealer with my setting powder, I want to go in with a little bit of powder before setting, because I need a full coverage. Anytime you want a full coverage, should I say packing product, not product but you have to be smart with it so that it can come out really nice. Just a little. I'm setting with the Aru CMA setting powder, translucent powder. This powder works for all skin types. Setting powder. So while setting, I don't press in. I just dump. When you press in, it's coming. That's when you are baking. You're just setting it. Now we are fully going in with our powder from my Cheek Cosmetics. For the outer corners of my face, I like going in with a shade darker than my skin tone, just for the outer part of my face, so that it won't be as if they just carried my face and put on my body. You get the vibe? Let me show you. Then for contour, putting my contour here with a shade 2 times darker than my skin tone. Beginning to look as if it's too much, but don't worry, it's better darker than lighter. it doesn't look good at all, being far much lighter than your skin tone. I'm going with my powder that is my skin tone for the not really the center of my face, but yeah, the center of my face. Yeah. See, I have a yellow undertone, so that's why I'm using this powder. This is my exact skin tone. Then for this inner part of my face and my under eye, I'll be going in with a shade lighter than my skin tone. If you know you wear your makeup for a long time, make sure you respect this. Always look up, press powder under your eye so that the under of your eye won't crease. Do you understand? It's really important. If not, the under of your eye, the concealer there will see something. It won't have enough powder to replenish it, to nourish it, then it's now bring about creasing. For reverse contour, I'm going in with a shade a little bit darker than my skin tone. This is to make the contour prominent. Nose contour. This should be a lot darker. It should be very dark. It's time to bake. It's time for the main eyebrow. For eyebrow, you don't have to change a single thing. You just have to follow the pattern of your eyebrow, and then you cannot do it without a sharpened eye pencil, like with a pointed tip. If your eyebrow is scattered, I would suggest you go to any salon, ask them to carve your eyebrow into a perfect shape that will enable you to draw your eye pencil very easily. Eyebrow is mainly following the pattern of the hairs of your brow. You don't have to manufacture eyebrow from somewhere. Yes, I had to go carve my eyebrow by myself so that it can give me that perfect snatched brows. So as you can see, we are good to go. As you can see, I use the cream concealer in the shade GC973 Creamy Beige, a shade ×2 or ×3 lighter than my skin shade, for the under of my eyebrow, which gave it this highlighted, snatched look. For the rest of my face, the outer part of my face, I have to use this a shade close to my skin tone, if not my skin tone, for a perfect eyebrow. Thank you. Very important to be using the Benin Clone White for your eyeshadow base. This helps your eyeshadow to pop. It's so that if you put green, the green will come out. If you put red, it will come out. If you put pink, it will come out. But without this, it will just be as if you are placing powder or something. But this serves as a base to magnify the effect of your eyeshadow. I'll be spreading this with a brush. This is the My Cheek eyeshadow palette. I'll be using the V Beauty Deep Eyebrow Liner Gel with this small brush for my waterline. My Zaron eyeliner. I'll be going with my Zaron mascara. Next, we'll be going with our lip. A lip palette from Blossom Makeup. And look what is giving. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's giving wine red. It's giving now we'll be cleaning off the setting powder.